Hello guys, it's for iOS Hack, whatever you want to call me, since I'm not very consistent. I'm very good at doing inconsistent things, but let's get into the video. So, for those people that owns an Apple Watch or some sort of smartwatch, like a Gear S3, like what I have. Just basically nowadays people own some sort of smartwatch. But if you guys have been having trouble with the clicky sound, like the button being stuck, I have a solution for you guys that's having a trouble. You're probably saying, well, I don't want to break it. I don't trust that it's actually waterproof or whatnot, and you probably called the manufacturer, and they just basically said to restart the watch, which doesn't make sense, but we'll just go with it. But I've found a solution to solve the clicky sound for the Apple Watch and the Gear S3 and other watches. It's pretty simple, I think. But yeah, let's get into this video and I'll show you how. But I own a Gear S3. It can work with any smartwatch that has the buttons. Okay, so now let's get into it. So here's my Gear S3. I like it. Maybe I can do a review on it. So if you've been having trouble with the buttons, especially the home button, so like if I were to just go here and click the home, usually that would be sticky and stuck. So now let me just zoom in and I'll try to be quiet, but and just show you a demonstration. So for how the sound and the clickiness should sound like is this. That's natural because it's popping up every time, but usually if you have a watch that doesn't do that, then usually if it doesn't do that, it usually just like stick. But I found a solution on how you can fix and solve the solution. So if you're having trouble with the stickiness, what you want to do is get like a Q-tip and just dab it with a little bit of water and just see the edges and just like kind of rub it good with maybe rubbing alcohol. But I used rubbing alcohol and water and just basically cleaned the cracks and nooks of it. And after that, what I did was I basically took my I can't think of the word. I'm sorry, guys. My nails, and just pinched it like so, and then just kind of wiggled it out like so, and just wiggle it until you don't feel it sticky anymore. And after that, you should be able to hear the nice crispy sound. It's pretty annoying to have a device that you're trying to go home and yeah, I understand. It's annoying and whatnot, but this, I guarantee, will fix it. Because have them saying, oh, just restart the software, that just really doesn't make sense, to be honest with you. It's not the software, it's the button, it's the physical button that's a problem. But yeah, so I hope that this fix the situation that you guys have with the button, because I know that I actually just figured this out by myself. I said, maybe let me try to clean the button and just whatnot, and so that kind of came to my mind. But yeah, I just hope that you guys liked it. And it worked. Like I said, I'm gonna reiterate it again. This will work with the S Gear 3, which the one that I have, and Apple Watch, all Apple Watch that has like the Chrome, and other smartwatches out there that has like these physical buttons. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it, because surely I did. But yeah, so I hope that this helped, and I'm out. Peace. So I hope that this video was very useful for you guys that were having the problem of sticky button or stuck button, or wasn't getting the proper feedback. And I hope that you guys thought that this was super helpful. And yeah, just remember to like and subscribe, and I am gonna I'm gonna try to do more tutorials more often than inconsistent. So I'll be more consistent. Try to be more consistent. But yeah, this is for iOS Hack, and peace.